Did you know that there is a Canva desktop application and Canva mobile application? The Canva desktop application and the Canva mobile application share many design tools, preset templates, stack images, videos, audios, and elements. However, there are some differences. Desktop offers a larger screen ideal for complex design and precise adjustment, while the mobile application provides portability, allowing you to create on the go. It's convenient and easy to use. Desktop application, more processing power, seamless collaboration, great for team projects, suitable for heavy work including video content and large uploads. While the mobile application may not handle complex design with multiple layers as effectively, some design elements might be limited compared to the desktop version. Hey everyone, I'm Yu Wei. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of design with the Canva mobile application. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around because I've got some awesome tips and tricks for you. First things first, let's get Canva on your phone. Head over to your application store, whether you're using iOS or Android, and search for Canva. Download it and install it, easy peasy. Now that you've got Canva installed, let's set up an account. Tap on the application screen, sign up, and voila. Having an account unlocks extra features and lets you save your designs. For those who want to create Canva account using desktop, you can watch my previous video setting up your Canva account step-by-step guide. When you open your Canva, you'll see the home screen. It's like a creative playground. Let's check out the templates, recent designs, and your profile. Ready to start a new project? Hit that last spot. Templates is your best friend. Choose one that fits to your project, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or even a business card. Customize the text, swap the images, and make it yours. Watch for more tutorials about Canva templates here on Exploring Canva Template. The link is on the description. Got a photo? Canva's got your back. Tap on an image in your design and you'll find editing tools, adjust brightness, contrast, and add filters. Your pics will look pro. Icons, illustrations, and stickers, oh my! Explore the Element tab, drag and drop these goodies into your canvas, resize, rotate, and position them until you're happy. For further understanding about Canva elements, watch this video. It will be fruitful for you. Don't forget to save your masterpiece. You can save locally or in the Canva cloud. You want to show off your design? Share it on your social media or download it. And there you have it. Canva Mobile is your creative sidekick. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips. Until next time, happy designing. I'm Yu Wei. Ciao.